Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So today I'm going to show you how to make a premium mix for your succulents. Now this is going to be a homemade mix, but again you need to buy these ingredients. Now the reason why I'm calling this as a premium mix, because it's going to be slightly expensive. Now if you do not want to spend so much of money on the premium mix, you can make the regular mix that I make at home. I will put the link in the description below, because the base of this mix is going to be related to that soil mix. So the reason why I don't use this mix, premium mix for my succulents, because I have over 2000 varieties of succulents, and if I'm going to use this premium mix, I might turn out to be bankrupt. So I do not use that mix. I just make a very regular mix for my succulents and they tend to do quite well. But I just wanted to show, let's say that if you have only 2 or 3 succulents and you want to give the best for them, then you can try out this premium mix. Now for that, the first thing is we need is pumice. Now let's take 1 part of pumice, half part of perlite, 1/4 of activated charcoal, and 3 parts of the regular potting mix, which I usually tend to use for my succulents, which is 80% of aquarium sand and 20% of filtered garden soil. So this we are going to be using 3 parts. So we are done with the 3 parts. So it has pumice, perlite, activated charcoal and the base soil. After this, it's all about mixing all of the ingredients together and to ensure that everything is completely mixed. So this is basically like a premium mix. The reason why it's premium is because all of these products are going to be slightly expensive, including pumice, perlite, even for that matter the activated charcoal as well. It's slightly expensive. So now we are completely done mixing this. So this type of premium mix is going to be well draining. It's going to be super porous, super well draining, tends to dry out really fast. Now if you might have noticed one thing, there is hardly any organic matter apart from that 20% of garden soil. The filtered garden soil that we have used is the only natural organic material that is present in this. But in case if you want to still go ahead and add some kind of fertilizers, that has to be done in the form of liquid fertilizer. Please do not use slow release fertilizers or compost or anything else. This is all about it, and this is the premium potting mix. So you can see it's very gritty, very porous, loose. There is activated charcoal to take care of the pests, to remove the impurities. There is pumice, there is perlite, and there is sand. And if you are having only few succulents, I think this mix is going to work out really well. But definitely not if you have succulents on a very large scale. This potting mix is going to turn out to be really expensive. But if you have only few succulents and you want to give the best for them, I think this premium mix is going to work out excellent for your succulents. So you can see it has all of those ingredients that tends to make the soil loose, porous, well draining, also tends to dry out faster. And pretty much most of the succulents, almost 90% of the succulents can be grown in this, including your Echuarias, Graptoverias, Graptopelaums, Pachophytums. You can even grow Haworthias in this. You can even grow other varieties, but then you'll have to increase the amount of garden soil a little bit, because this mix is going to dry out very fast. So this is going to work out really well for Echuarias and succulents that do not like too much of moisture. So this is the premium soil mix which you can use for your succulents. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.